back to my channel, The Baking Diva, and a big thank you to all my new subscribers. I can't tell you how much I appreciate your support. It really means a lot to me. Well, today I'm doing something super easy. We're all in quarantine, we're stuck in the house, and what are we doing? Eating. I don't know about you, but I have to start getting a little control here, a little self-control. But it's tough when you're in the house all day. So today I'm going to make for you an old recipe. This goes way back to when Weight Watchers was using all their points. I don't know if they're still using points, but this was an old Weight Watchers dessert that was equal to 1 Weight Watcher point. And it only takes 2 ingredients to make it. And you're saying, well, okay, Diva, get on with it. Well, it's also low carb. And what I'm calling it is a fruit dip. Now, you can dip fruit in it. You can dip crackers in it. You can eat it with a spoon, whatever you want. But we're going to make it today. And if you stay tuned till I finish the recipe, I'm going to give you about 10 or 12 tips on some great ideas on what you can do with plain Greek yogurt. I'll bet some of them you never even thought of. So what do you say we get started? First thing you're going to need is a bowl. And you're going to need a small box of sugar-free Jell-O. You can use any flavor you want. Today I'm using the black cherry sugar-free Jell-O. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your Jell-O into this bowl. My bowl's probably a little large, but that's okay. I'm going to put it in there, and you're going to add to that 1 cup of boiling water. So I have that all ready here. Look at that dark black cherry color. Oh, I love black cherry, so that smells really good. Just mix that around a little bit. Get the Jell-O dissolved. So I hope you're all doing well. I know it's tough now. This is the end of 4 weeks. The cameraman and I have been quarantined, and I'm in New Jersey, so from what I understand, it's going to be a lot longer. New York City, New Jersey, got it really bad. I don't even know yet if the kids are going to be going back to school this semester. I have my doubts. I think it might be the fall if we're lucky. It's just something that I don't think any of us ever fathomed or thought we would be going through. So do what you have to do and stay safe and stay in the house and whatever it takes. All right, this is dissolved into the boiling water. All right, now what are we going to add to this? This is so simple. We're going to add 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. This just happens to be what I'm using. Stonyfield organic, 0% fat Greek yogurt. This has 16 grams of protein in it. You can use any brand you want. So we're going to put our 0 fat yogurt right in there with our Jell-O mixture. So if you're looking for a low carb dessert, if Weight Watchers is still going with their points, so this makes 2 to 4 servings, and it's 1 point per serving. So that's not bad at all. So we have that in there. I'm going to take my handy dandy whisk, and I'm going to whisk all of this together. So let me get going on that. Yeah, I just thought this would be something fun to make today. If I'm in the mood and I'm craving something sweet, I can have this. You can serve it with fruit. You can serve it with some, crackers or low-carb crackers or maybe pita chips. So I'm going to keep whisking this baby until, let me see, I get it all combined, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to chill it. I'm going to put it in the refrigerator and chill it. And once it's all nice and chilled, well, of course, then I'm going to come back and do a taste testing for you. I'm going to enjoy it, that's for sure. I was debating whether I wanted to do black cherry or I wanted to do orange because I love creamsicles. And I thought orange Jello with the Greek yogurt, I thought that would be almost like a creamsicle. But I went with the black cherry. And I love Greek yogurt. It's funny, I'm not a big fan of yogurt. I don't like that thin, kind of runny yogurt, but I love Greek yogurt. I think it tastes better and it's more thicker, yummy. So let me keep doing this, and then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator to chill. So let me get this in the refrigerator now. And while it's chilling, I think that would be a good time for me to go over just some fun ideas on what you can use plain Greek yogurt for. I'm sure many of them you're familiar with, but maybe others you're not. And if you go away from this video with just a couple of good ideas, I'll be happy. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below and smash that red subscribe and the little bell next to it. Hit it, I think, twice till it says all, and that's it. You'll be a subscriber. Doesn't cost anything. Nobody's gonna bother you. And you'll just get a notification whenever I have a new video up, and you won't miss anything. Oh, I should tell you, if you didn't see my last video, go back and check it out. Oh, it was for my crunchy onion chicken. It is so good. My entire family loves it. Got a lot of views, and people were all gonna make it. And so check that recipe out, because I don't think you'll be disappointed. It's really delicious and easy to make too. All right, this is nice and foamy. Looks like it's about ready to go in the refrigerator now. So let me put it in there, and I'll be back to give you some tips on what you can use plain Greek yogurt for. Alrighty, so my dip is chilling. I'm just going to go over with you some interesting things that you can do with plain Greek yogurt. So I'm sure many of you make deviled eggs. I know we love deviled eggs in our house. I'll make them and put them in the refrigerator and we'll just snack on them. But I make them obviously with mayonnaise. It says here that you can use Greek yogurt instead of mayonnaise for the same flavor without the guilt. You'll get extra protein, calcium, and you'll save on calories, fat, and saturated fat. So maybe we need to give that a try and see if we like it. Another thing is, and I've done this, make a cheesecake. Typical cheesecake recipes call for sometimes a pound or more of cream cheese. You can replace all of it or just part of it with yogurt. So I've done that before and it comes out good. Also, this is interesting, cream-based sauces. Well, they're loaded with fat. So you can still get the creaminess that you crave and pack your pasta with protein by getting rid of the cheese and cream and stirring in the Greek yogurt instead. If any of you have tried any of these things, let me know in the comments. I would love to know how you use your Greek yogurt. This I love. I love that tzatziki, I think it's called, sauce. Oh, I love that. That Greek sauce. Well, you make your own. Chop up some cucumbers, add a little dill, a pinch of salt, and your Greek yogurt. And there you have it. Now this one, I don't know about this, to be honest with you. If you've ever tried it, let me know, but I don't know, it wasn't calling my name. They're saying you can top waffles and pancakes with a few dollops of yogurt instead of syrup. Well, I guess you could do that if it's a flavored yogurt. Yeah, maybe a sweet flavored yogurt, but I don't think I would just put plain yogurt on there. I don't know. That wouldn't float my boat. But anyway, it says it does add protein and it cuts down on calories and sugar. For a quick dessert, you can stir a light jam, raspberries, I've done this plenty of times, cinnamon, raisins, nuts, or even shredded coconut right into your Greek yogurt. And it comes out delicious for breakfast. I sometimes have Greek yogurt. I put a delicious granola on the top that I have, and I mix in, I like raspberries, some raspberries. It's good. Let's see what else it says. Oh, lighten up your side dishes. Whip up moist mashed potatoes by swapping in non-fat yogurt for the butter in your favorite recipes. And this is an easy one. For a simple frozen yogurt, you just freeze a container of plain or vanilla Greek yogurt. You can stir in your favorite fresh fruit or even peanut butter. Oh yeah. Okay, count me in on that one. Take some plain or vanilla yogurt, whip in some peanut butter, freeze it. When you go to eat it, it'll taste just like peanut butter ice cream. Okay. And did you know you can add horseradish to sour cream to make fish or a shrimp dip? That's interesting. The cameraman likes horseradish dip with shrimp. I might have to try that one. All right. And also, you can slim down your favorite dressing. Replace the mayo the next time you make some ranch dressing. Not only will you cut hundreds, it says, not only will you cut hundreds of calories, but you'll boost the protein and eliminate the fat if you swap in non-fat plain yogurt. That's good. And soup. Well, you've had creamy soups. I like creamy soups. You can add a creamy texture to soups by just topping it with yogurt. Or adding in a few tablespoons of yogurt after you remove the soup from the heat. Sounds pretty good to me. I don't know. I would try that, right? Let's see if there's anything else here. Oh, here's a good one. Make guacamole. Mix in a few spoons of calcium and protein-rich Greek yogurt. And for an easy party dip platter, well, we're making a dip today, but another thing you could do is just mix in a little chocolate syrup in with your Greek yogurt for a fruit dip for a party platter. And it tells you you can add a pinch of salt to your Greek yogurt for a substitute for sour cream. Now, I never actually thought of that one. If you don't have sour cream, take your Greek yogurt, add a pinch of salt to it, and substitute it for the sour cream. So if you've tried any of these things or have other ideas on what you can use Greek yogurt for, I'd love to hear them. So stay tuned. I'm going to be back in a couple of minutes so we can sample our fruit dip. So don't go away. Here's the fruit dip. I had it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. You'll know when you shake it a little bit, that it's gelled. So what I'm going to do now is I have a smaller bowl here. And I'm going to take some of it and put it in this bowl. I'm going to just use my ice cream scooper. You can do whatever you want. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Look at that. I'm going to put a few scoops of that in. It looks delicious. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Put one more in. That looks good. I'm using this small bowl, and I'll show you why in a minute. here I have just a little plate with some pita chips in it. I have some strawberries. I have a few pretzels. You can put whatever you want in there. And then you can dip it and give it a taste. So this is an unbelievable low carb, 1 point Weight Watcher snack. And depending on what you use with it, you know, you'll have to add that. But I'm going to just taste a little bit of this on this pita chip and see what it tastes like. Good. Very good. And I think, let me move this over. I think that you can also, I have a little tiny dish here. I think you can put this in a dish. You don't want to use it as a fruit dip. I'm going to try it. And just eat it. It's almost like a soft sherbet. Yeah, I put it in this little tiny dish. I'm going to taste it by itself. It's really good. Very good. I would have it either way. I'd use it as a dip, or I'd just make a bowl of it and have it as a snack. What I also have here, this is like the third time I've ordered this. It's the Choc Zero chocolate syrup, which I love. It's sugar-free, but it's natural. And I'm wondering, with the cherry and the chocolate, I'm going to try a little bit on there. Maybe it'll taste like chocolate-covered cherries. Put a little on. Ooh. I use this with peanut butter when I want a little snack. Let me see what that tastes like now. Can you see that, cameraman, with that chocolate on there? Let me give that a taste. Thumbs up on that. Tastes just like a chocolate-covered cherry. It's really good. So, if you want to give this dip or snack a try, 1 Weight Watcher point, low carb, serve it with whatever you like, and use whatever flavor jelly you like. I think you're really going to enjoy it. Oh, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go back down there and hit that red subscribe and the little bell. Don't forget, if there's something that you use plain Greek yogurt for, put it in the comments column. I'd like to hear. I'm always open for new ideas. And give me a thumbs up. And give me a thumbs up. YouTube loves those thumbs up. Helps promote my channel. So, I will be saying goodbye. The cameraman and I will be having a snack. But I think we're going to save this for after dinner. So anyway, love you all. Thanks for tuning in. And I will see you very soon. Toodles!